15th July is our International Friendship Day. In India, it's celebrated on first Sunday of August. Friends are very important to me because we play together, we laugh together, we dance together, we sing, we help each other, care for each other. I have so many friends. But my best friend is Mama, Papa, Arjun, and Avanie, Lara, Lucy, Emma, Luna, Lini, all of my friends. Kitaro. I'm also tell you how to make friends like me. It's too simple. Let me show you. First go to her and say, hello, my name is Avanie. Do you like to play with me? Then she will come and say, yeah. Then she will be your friend like that. So simple. Nice touch. Hello. Hello. I'm Avanie. I'm Lucy. Can I play with you? Yeah. I have a baby. What do you have? I have an owl. Come, let's play. Okay, thank you. You're very sweet. You are so sweet. What do you do for friendship day? I know. Let's make for our friends some chocolates. Share chocolates or share toys, or we can make some cards for our friends. Let's make cards. I will show you how to make cards. Let's start. I have some crystals from my old clothes. I have cut some papers and kept it here in a flower shape. You can watch my other video to learn how to cut the paper. I also have some glue and some normal paper folded in half. Finally, some sketch pens. First, draw the border on the front of the paper. It can be any shape you like. Also, you can choose any color. I have already so many colors. Once borders are done, you can stick the flowers with a glue. Again, stick the crystals with the glue. The front page is done. Let's draw inside. I'm drawing some house. Also, I drawn two girls. Now, also I'm drawing cloud. Also one tree. That's all. You can make any design you want. It's all your imagination only. Friends are very important. Make so many friends. You're also my friend. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you again. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. And like and share my video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you, bye. Happy Friendship Day to all of you.